Feeling overwhelmed with tasks? These 5 AI tools will save you time, boost your focus, and level up your productivity in 2025. Let's get into tool number 1. Notion AI. Notion isn't just for notes anymore. With AI built in, it writes blog posts, summarizes long documents, and answers questions all inside your workspace. It's like ChatGPT living in your second brain.
Here's my favorite AI tool number 2. It's called ClickUp AI. ClickUp was already a power tool for teams, but now it's on steroids. The AI assistant writes emails on your behalf. You just tell it what you want to say and who you want to say it to. And this is what it wrote. It's polite, professional, and to the point. I can send this email with just one click. It also automates repetitive tasks so you can focus on more important work. And it even suggests ways to improve your workflow. For example, I asked ClickUp AI to write an email asking for a leave. I also asked it to create a task list for a content writer. This is what it came up with. It's organized, it's detailed, and it even has a deadline. I can assign this task to someone else, or I can just do it myself. And if you're wondering how to use any of these tools, just ask ClickUp AI. It'll show you how. 3 AI tools that can save you hours of work every week? No, 3 is Gamma. Have you ever spent hours creating a presentation only to have it rejected at the last minute? What's amazing about Gamma is that it doesn't just generate text. This tool is a game changer for anyone who has to present in front of an audience. It allows you to spend less time preparing and more time actually delivering your presentation. So be sure to check it out. It creates an interactive slideshow with images and videos that support your message. And if you're not happy with the first result, you can easily ask for a revision. With Gamma, presentations are done in minutes. Not only does it save you time, but it also makes you look like a pro. Here's how it works. You start by choosing a template. Then you simply describe your idea to the AI and it creates the slides for you. In the end, you download the presentation and you're ready to go. Here are 5 tools to make your work life easier and better. Part 2. Tool number 4, Fireflies.ai. This one's for meetings. So we all have those moments in meetings where we're like, what did we just talk about? Or what did we decide on? Well, Fireflies.ai is here to save the day. And if you want to see the first part of this video, just search for 5 tools and you'll find it. It joins your Zoom calls, takes smart notes, summarizes the key points, and even tracks who said what. So you can always go back and see exactly what was discussed. No more awkward pauses trying to recall. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. And the best part is it's free to use with a limited number of meeting minutes per month. So how many of these tools have you heard of? Let me know in the comments below. 5 tools to supercharge your content creation. No, 5 is OpusClip. If you're creating content, this is gold. OpusClip uses AI to turn your long-form videos into viral short clips. And I mean viral. They've generated over 200 million views across their users' videos. It does it by analyzing your video, identifying the best moments, and creating a short clip with captions, jump cuts, and an outro that encourages people to share it. And you can see how much views your clips are getting. You can filter by most viewed, filter by your best clips, and sort by views, engagement, and length. And then you can download the clip, share it wherever you want, and repeat the process. And if you're an education creator, there's an easier way to create your first short clip. Click the button in the description below to get started. So I got a package. This is one of the most requested products ever. Let's open it up. Inside, this box costs $230. So please don't steal it. It's not even out yet. So I have to sign an NDA, but let me show you what it does. This is basically a portable computer that has a really powerful camera. And when you plug it into a monitor or TV, it can do this. You can use it as a webcam or you can use it as a standalone computer. The best part about it is that it has AI built in, so you can just talk to it and it will understand what you're saying. Now there's 3 different models. There's the 8K model, which costs $230. There is also a 4000 model, which costs $150, and then there is a 108 OP model, which costs $100. And if you're new here, hit subscribe for more faceless tech content. Now, which of these tools are you trying first? Drop it in the comments below.